There's a guy on the back of the boat emptying buckets of water as we go across the bay. What does that mean? I think that means we're sinking.
We're on an off-the-grid adventure in the Philippines. Woo! And finding our home for the next 4 days is half the thrill. It's an amazing Airbnb, a floating houseboat, nestled in a secluded lagoon. We're on our way to Coron Island in northern Palawan,
Which is considered the Philippines' last frontier. It's the most wild.
So how did we get here? It's actually really accessible via direct flight from Manila or Cebu. Within 2 hours, you go from this to this. Just landed in Jurassic Park. And there's plenty to explore. In search of a crowd-free adventure, we opted for Coron Island. On that houseboat.
It's right in here somewhere. We're just waiting for the boat to unveil itself from behind one of these cliffs.
With every turn getting taller, brighter,
There it is! This is unreal. This is just one of those places that just it doesn't exist in real life, but it does. I can't believe we're staying here. Well, I think it's time to get in the water.
no Wi-Fi, no cell service, no TV. Just perfect. This place is pure magic. It's rated as one of the best dive spots in the world. There's shipwrecks from World War II and stunning coral gardens. It's the best reef I've ever seen. Plus,
Oh my gosh.
one of the most Instagrammable places in the country. Kayangan Lake. We got a private boat to get us here early, before rush hour hit. Paid the tribe for access. Rules are strict about wearing life vests, usually.
We got here before all the crowds, which means we don't have to wear life jackets.
Sidebar, life jackets suck. This was earlier on the trip.
And we get this whole place to ourselves.
The depth and the clarity of this brackish lake is surreal. It's like flying in slow motion through an upside-down mountain. A submerged Gothic cathedral of limestone spires and thrones. Here's me channeling my best Khaleesi. We loved the Philippines. A true paradise, full of friendly people. For more info, check out the links below and get yourself out there, off the grid, on Coron Island.
It's a music video.